So the first one we're going to do are squats. So Alex is going to show us what squats are. Now, for a person who may have some balance issues, it is perfectly acceptable and recommended to hold on to something to secure your balance. In this case, Alex is going to hold on to that pole in front of us, and she will then do her squats. At home, you could hold on to a kitchen countertop, especially the lip of a sink, which allows your hands to get around the sink. If you do use a chair at home, it needs to be stable and immovable. The second exercise is alternating lunges. When you perform these exercises, take your time. Control will give you a greater workout. The slower you go, the more you'll develop more powerful strength. Now again, there may be issues of balance, and so it is important that if you have an issue of balance, that you hold on to something. One variation that we sometimes do with our clients here is we use a step. And the reason that we use this is because it places less stress on your knee. So you can place the stool out in front of you and then just stay with one leg and go forward and back. Most people find this more comfortable. It also gives you the ability, again, to hold on to something if need be while you're doing it to secure your balance. Okay. Our third exercise is called an incline push-up. So it's different than a push-up because you're not on the floor. You're not going to be putting as much strain or as much body weight on you as you do it. We are using a chair that is immovable because it's up against the table here. When you're doing this, the chair can be higher, which will make the exercise easier. The lower the chair is, or the lower your hands are, will increase the level of difficulty with this exercise. Great. Our fourth exercise is called chest lift. It's somewhat of a variation of the traditional sit-up. In this exercise, you can have a pillow underneath your head and neck. However, you do not need to have it. You raise up, you reach. Mostly your chest is coming up off the table and your shoulders as your hands reach for past your knees. Lastly, the fifth exercise is the bridge. Now, when you do a bridge, you really don't want to have a pillow underneath your head and neck because that will put additional stresses on your neck. And those are the Fit in 5 exercises for a person who is out and about in the community.